Hey everybody, welcome to the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations. I'm Gandharva, and please share these videos every day. Let people know about the vibrations inside of them, vibrations every day. Much appreciated. Today is Wednesday. Wednesday is the day of the Communicator. All about speaking, yeah, but not any kind of just blah 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 kind of speaking. More like saying what's important, speaking the truth, going to the depths of communication. Yeah. The fragrance today is cedar. Moving quickly, like quicksilver, like Mercury. Move quickly, change quickly. First one thing, then another. Light and dark, back and forth. What you're feeling now may change quickly today. It's a changeable day, changeable, and an adaptable day. It's a chameleon-like day. Listen to Alice Coltrane's music today. She was a spiritual communicator. Listen to Ornette Coleman's music today. He was a spiritual communicator. Listen to Keith Jarrett's music today. He was a spiritual communicator. Listen to Tom Waits today. He was a spiritual communicator. Read Krishnamurti today. He was a spiritual communicator. Be flexible today so you don't break. Be flexible today so you don't break. Move like water. Flow like water. Quickly. Moving. Quickly. Quickly. Check out your sense of touch. It's the sense of the day. Sense of touch. Put your hand over something. See if you can feel the energy. See if you can feel what it's saying to you. Can you hear it? Can you feel the vibrations of that thing? Put your hand over a flower. Put your hand over a glass of water. put your hand over broccoli. What is it saying? What is it feeling? What does it want? Get in touch with touch today. Get in touch with touch. Get in touch with touch.